So, Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon. So, last time we have studied about the hydrostatic pressure, right? Then we have studied an equation. What is that equation? Hydrostatic pressure is equal to H rho G. Pressure equal to the product of depth, density of the liquid, and gravitational acceleration. In that you have done few sums. And we have done up to fourth one. Fifth one I ask you to do. If you completed,
Yes, sir.
what is the answer for the fifth one? Fifth one
100.
or which one? Fifth one or fourth one?
Fifth one,
Fifth
sir.
one is to be done. Fifth one, no?
Yes, sir.
Then see the fifth one. A capillary tube consists mercury for 80 centimeter. Find the pressure caused by mercury thread. The capillary tube is there. So capillary tube means very tiny tube to make you to understand and draw into big. Capillary tube means the hole inside the tube is like the size of the hair. Tube is like the size of pencil, but hole inside the tube is like the size of hair. That is only considered as capillary tube. Then in a capillary tube, the mercury is there for 80 centimeter. The mercury thread is there. Mercury won't stick to the glass. Then the mercury will be like this. For 80 centimeter, mercury is there. Then what is the pressure caused by this mercury? Then mercury also a liquid, no? So we can use pressure equal to H rho G equation. Pressure equal to H rho G. Then H is the height or depth of the liquid. Here depth of the liquid or height of the liquid is given 80 centimeter. So H is 80 centimeter, but international unit for the height or distance is meter. So because of that, we have to convert it to meter. How to convert the centimeter into meter? It is to be divided by 100. 100 centimeters only 1 meter. Into density. Earlier we had given what is the density of the mercury. Density of the mercury is 13,600. Right in the first page, it is given. What is the density of the mercury? Right, density of the water 1000, mercury 13,600, sea water 1050. So mercury we are using here. So the density of the mercury 13,600 into G is the gravitational acceleration. Gravitational acceleration is 10. Then we can simplify. We can cancel two zeros up and down. Then I'll cancel these two zeros. Then you have to multiply this by 8. So 8 into 0, 0, 8 into 0, 0, 6, 8, 48, 4 balance, 3, 8, 24 and 4, 28, 1 into 8, 8, 8 and 2, 10. This much Pascal. So 108,800 Pascal. Did you get this answer?
Yes, sir.
Right, then okay. Then I told hydrostatic pressure depends in three factors. One is height, another one is density, another one is gravitational acceleration. So hydrostatic pressure depends in these three factors. So we take this height and see little. Right. Now you take a bottle. You take a bottle and fill with water. So there is water in this. And put some holes in this bottle. Right? Bottle is fully filled with water. You are putting few holes into this. Then water will spill out through this. You can see through this hole the water spills like this. Through this one the water spill through this. Through this the water spill this way. Here the water comes out slowly. Here the water comes out faster than that. Here water comes out very fast. What is the reason? Here the liquid cause pressure by this much liquid. Here the liquid cause the pressure by this much liquid. Here the water cause the pressure by this much liquid. Then the height is different. When the height increases from the top level of the liquid, the pressure increases. Or we can think about the depth. When we talk about depth, here depth is low, so the pressure is low. Then the speed is low. Here the pressure is high. Why depth is high? Because of that, the water move out fast. So that says the pressure increases with the depth. To show that only first diagram is given. Hydrostatic pressure. Under that increases with depth. Hydrostatic pressure, first one increases with the depth. So this diagram is there. In this diagram you can mark there is water inside the bottle. Then these are mentioned water streams comes out. Water streams comes out. Then below this you can write the speed of the lower stream is high due to high pressure. The speed of the lower stream is high due to high pressure. Then in the lower part only pressure is high. That means the pressure increased with the depth. The pressure increased with the depth. To show that only that diagram is given. I'm talking about this diagram. Hydrostatic pressure increases with depth. It is mentioned in this way. So see, from the lower part only, the water goes more distance. That means the speed is high in the lower part. So below this you can write that note. Then see the second diagram. Now we take a bottle same like earlier one. A bottle same like earlier one. And put few holes on the same level. Put few holes on same level. Then fill with water. Fill this with water. So water is there inside of this. The holes are there on the same level. Then the water will spill out through this. You can see the water stream. The water streams. Water streams spread into same distance. If it comes 2 centimeter, that also goes 2 centimeter. Same distance only that spreads. So what is the reason? All the holes that I have put in same level, same height, same depth. Then that says the pressure at the same level in the liquid are same. Right? Pressure depends in 3 factors now. Pressure depends in 3 factors. Depth, density, gravitational acceleration. Then when you go to another planet only, gravitational acceleration change. So no need to think about that. When you take another liquid only, density change. So in the same liquid, we don't need to worry about the pressure. So pressure depends in depth, density, gravitational acceleration. For a particular liquid, we don't need to worry about the rho and g. That is common. Then the pressure is getting changed according to the depth only. Only depth. So in one liquid, in one planet, the pressure is getting changed only by the depth. So here depth is same. Because of that, no change in the pressure. That's what the water stream spread into the same level. Here depth is different. Here depth is different. While changing the depth, the pressure increases. Here depth is same height. So no change in the pressure. So you can write under this diagram, mark water and water stream, and write horizontal distance. Horizontal distance of water stream is same. Horizontal distance of water stream is same. Due to same pressure. Above that I had given same in same level. Liquid pressure, same in same level. Because of that, no change in the horizontal distance. Horizontal distance of this water stream, all are same level, same amount. Okay. And see the next diagram. Take water into a polythene bag. Take water into a polythene bag and put few holes in different place. Around this bag, put different holes in different place. Then this consists water. Now you can see water spill out. You can see through all the hole, in all the direction, water spill out. When you put the hole in any direction, this side or the other side, the water spread out. What is the reason? Now we have studied pressure in the solid. When you keep something in our head, that is pressing downward only pressing. So we are getting the pressure downward. So no pressure in the sideways. But liquid pressure is not like that. Liquid pressure is acting in all the directions. That's what when you put the hole into this, in all the direction water spread. If the liquid pressure applies only downward, then only the hole through the downward only that should come. When you put a hole only in downward only, lower part only, the water should come only through this. But here water spread everywhere. Because liquid pressure has no direction, it is acting in every direction. So when you put something into water, the pressure is acting in all the directions. Not only in one direction, pressure is acting in all the directions. To show that only this activity is given. So in the next diagram you can see liquid pressure acts in every direction. Then this diagram is there. So you can mark this as water. Then you can write water exists through every holes due to pressure in every direction. Due to pressure in every direction. So liquid pressure acts in all the directions. So water exists through every holes due to pressure in all the directions. So that is the one explained by the next diagram. This diagram. See, water is spread through all the directions. Then see the next diagram. There are different containers. Different containers. We'll take a pipe and fix some different containers for this. So one container is there in this shape. Another container is there in this shape. This is another container. Another container is there in this shape. Another container is there in this shape. Another container is there in this shape. So a pipe, many shapes of container are fixed. Then fill water into this. Then fill water into this. So if you fill water into this, then water will spread through all the containers. You can say in all the containers, water getting filled into same level. So water getting filled into same level in all the containers. Water filled into same level. That means here there will be a pressure. Here there will be another pressure. Here there will be a pressure. Here there will be another pressure. Here there will be another pressure. So pressure at A. Here pressure at B. Here pressure at C. Pressure at D. Pressure at E. All the levels are same. Then the height is same. All the levels are same. That means height is same. So pressure in all the points are equal. Pressure in all the points are equal. Because they are in the same level. Then see, the pressure is not depending on the shape of the container. If you take the water into any shape, if you take the liquid into any shape, the pressure on the same level will be same. The container may be broad or an even container or a narrow container or a snake shaped container. Any shape this container, these liquids can be there. Any shape, any liquid can be there. But when the perpendicular height is same, then the pressure will be same. Pressure not defect by the shape of the container. So that's what the aim of that setup. So does not depends, liquid pressure is the heading, that does not depends on the shape of the liquid columns. Then below that you can write PA equal PB equal PC equal PD equal PE. After marking these points A, B, C, D, then you can write heights of water level. Heights of water level in all the tubes are same. In all the tubes are same. Heights of water level in all the tubes are same. Then because of these diagrams, you are studying 4 things. One is only liquid pressure acts in all the direction. Liquid pressure acts in all the direction. That is only this diagram. Liquid pressure does not depends on the shape of the container. Liquid pressure does not depend on the shape of the container. Then when you think about the earlier diagrams, liquid pressure increases with the depth. Liquid pressure is same in same level. Liquid pressure same in same level. So liquid pressure increases with the depth. So these are important points while we are talking about the liquid pressure. Then think about our next heading, transmission of pressure through liquids. Transmission of pressure. We can transport pressure also. Transmission of pressure through liquids. Transmission of pressure through liquids. Transmission of pressure through liquids. So what is this transmission of pressure through liquids? We can pass the pressure from one place to another place through the liquids. We can pass the pressure from one place to another place through the liquids. Now, for example, you are getting a long tube, right? Get a long tube like this. Then fill this by a oil. Fill this by an oil. Then this tube has oil. Then if you keep something and press this side, if you keep something like a piston and press this side, then the liquid get pressed. But liquid is not become small while pressing, not contracting. Because of that, if you press this side, then if there is a piston in the other side, you say there's a piston in the other side, then the pressure that you are giving to this liquid here pass through this liquid, passing and pressing this one. Then this piston will start to move up. Right? It is not, liquid is not contracting. When you press one side, then try to cover that through the other side. Then the pressure is passing through the liquid. So that is only the transmission of pressure through the liquid. Right? So see below that I had given 2 points. Liquid do not get compressed by a force. You can't compress. You can't convert the liquid into small by pressing. So liquid do not get compressed by a force. Therefore, the pressure can be transmitted through the liquid. Then we'll see one example for that. So there's an instrument called hydraulic press. Hydraulic press. Hydraulic press. In that a pipe is there this way. This part is small and coming this way, and this part is larger. This part is small, the other part is larger. Then there's an oil inside of this. This is a pipe. I have drawn the longitudinal section. Here there's a piston. Then there's an oil inside of this. Here there is a broad piston. Piston means like a lid cover. Right? Then the liquid oil is there like this. Then we'll say you are applying 20 Newton force for this piston. This piston A, you are applying a small force, 20 Newton force. 20 Newton means 2 kilogram. Simple force. Then when you apply 20 Newton force into this, there's an area for this piston. We'll say the area is 10 centimeters squared. Area is 10 centimeters squared. Then because of this force, the 10 centimeters squared cause a pressure. There will be a pressure in this liquid. We'll say that pressure is P. Then the pressure is passing through the liquid. The pressure is passing through this liquid. Passing this way and applying the same pressure into this. Applying the same pressure into this. Because in the liquid, the pressure on the same level are same. What is the pressure applying here? Should be there. Then by that pressure, what is the force created? We'll see what is the force get created by this. This is a broad one. We say the area of that one is 10 times bigger than this, 20 times bigger than that. 200 centimeters square. Here it is taken 10 centimeters square. Here it is taken 200 centimeters square. That one is a small one. We can press it easily by 20 Newton, 2 kilogram. Right, by the hand we can press. Or by keeping one leg we can press. Then the force that we are applying cause a pressure. Then the pressure is passing through this and causing the same pressure on the other side. Then if it causes the same pressure, what is the force creating by that? We'll see what is the force creating by this. Then we'll say the point, this point is B. This point is A. The pressure at A should be equal to the pressure at B because these two are same level. Pressure at A equal to pressure at B because they are found on the same level. Then here pressure is equal to force divided by area. Force over area only pressure. Then here also force over area. Then what is the force here acting? 20 Newton, area 10 centimeters squared. Then 20 Newton over 10 centimeters squared is the area. We take the area in centimeters squared because both sides are centimeters squared. No need to convert it to suffer. No need to convert it to meter and suffer. Because of the squared, it is difficult to convert it to meter. So 20 Newton is the force. 10 centimeters squared is the area. Then that is equal to the pressure at B. At B, the force I have taken F. Area is 200 centimeters squared. Right? Then if you remove the units, 20 over 10 is equal to F over 200. 20 over 10 is equal to F over 200. Now we'll multiply this 200 here. Then 20 over 10 into 200 equal F. Then when you simplify this, 1 0 get cancelled. F is equal 2 into 200. 2 into 200, 400. F is the force, so Newton. So we are getting 400 Newton. That means we will apply, when we apply 20 Newton, we are applying 20 Newton, 2 kilogram. When you apply 2 kilogram force, then while passing that through the liquid into the other side, it becomes into 400 Newton. So force is multiplied. We are applying 20 Newton, that becomes into 400 Newton means it is multiplied by 20 times. So by using this system, we can pass the pressure through the liquid and increase the force. We can get a big force. While we are applying a small force, we can get a big force. This only doing in vehicle brake system. In vehicle brake system, the driver keep the leg slowly. Big vehicle, containers, right, buses, big vehicles getting stopped, right? Sometimes driver's leg is like your hand, right? Thin driver applying a small force, big vehicle is getting stopped. What is the reason? Driver applies a small force. Driver's force is here. That multiplied into several times and applying a big force to the wheels of the vehicle. Then the vehicle gets stopped. So by using this only, they are lifting the vehicles in the service station. Right? They are applying a small force through one side. Then the big vehicle can be lifted for service purpose. Like that, hydraulic jacks are there to lift the vehicles. Hydraulic lift are there for the buildings. Hydraulic cranes are there to lift big loads. These all are functioning by this system. Applying a small force through the liquid and multiplying that into several times through the other side. Then copy down this. So one is saying board is not clear. What is about others?
Clear, sir.
Clear. Okay. So this is the diagram given. So you can write the note in this side. See, I have applied 20 Newton force only. 20 Newton force only applied. We are getting 400 Newton force to the other side. So the pressure pass through this and causing more force in the other side. Then 400 Newton means we can keep something a big load here, like a vehicle, and lift.
Done, sir.
Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Then see, the same system only given in the next diagram. This is especially using to lift the vehicles in the service station. It is called hoist, used to lift the vehicle. See the piston found in this shape. So this is the piston, this is the pipe-like appearance. So while pressing this piston, oil is there inside of this liquid that get pressed and pushing the other side by a big force. Then the vehicle can be lifted by this. Right? And this is the way of getting 400 Newton. Then next to that you can write, next to the diagram. So 400 Newton is produced by 20 Newton. 400 Newton is produced by 20 Newton. Therefore, more load can be lifted by a small force. A small force by this system. So therefore, more load can be lifted by a small force by this system. This system is used in service stations to lift vehicles. To lift vehicles. Not only in service station, I told we are using this for lifting vehicles by jack, then lift. So like that for several purposes, cranes. So those are commonly called hydraulic pumps. There are two systems in this instrument. One is called mechanical, another one is called hydraulic. In hydraulic only this system is there. In mechanical one, pulley and chains are there, or pulley and cogwheels are there. And mechanical one is different. Hydraulic one only using the liquids. So also used in hydraulic pumps. Then in the next page, you can see some pumps. Anyone writing?
Completed, sir.
Then see the next page. See some hydraulic pumps. Hydraulic jet they are using to lift the vehicle to change the tires and all. See inside of this, here there's a liquid. Right? Here this is the piston lifting the vehicles. Now here there's an arm. While pressing this liquid is getting pressed and applying more force in this. So here we want to apply a small force here. By the hand only this is getting operated. And by the hand about 10 Newton force you can apply. While applying 10 Newton force, that becomes into a large force and lifting a big vehicle. So that is occurring through this. Your vehicle brake system. See in the vehicle brake system, brake pedal is connected to this part. Brake pedal is connected to this part. It is separately given. While pressing, there's a liquid here. The liquid comes this way and pressing this one. The liquid is there inside of this tube. Then that liquid comes this way through the pipeline and pressing this one. Then this the piston pressing the liquid. Then the liquid comes this way and apply more force in this area. Here this part only connected to the tire wheel. Then that press the tire, then the tire feel difficulties in rotating. Two sides there are two pads. Those pads only called brake pads. And they stop the tire, rotation of the tire. Tire is connected to this part. So hydraulic press only, hydraulic system only used in these devices. Then see some questions are there in this. So write the answer for the first one. The pressure exerted at the bottom of the container due to a liquid inside it, 1500 Pascal. What is meant by the pressure 1500 Pascal? See the pressure exerted at the bottom of the container due to a liquid is 1500 Pascal. What is mean by 1500 Pascal? So you know pressure means force divided by area. Force divided by area only pressure. Then what is the definition you had given for the pressure? The force acting unit area. Then pressure is the force acting in unit area. Then 1500 Pascal is the pressure means 1500 Newton force. 1500 Newton force. 1500 Newton force is acting in unit area. 1500 Newton force is acting in unit area. That is the meaning of that. Acting in unit area. Unit area. So that is the meaning of 1500 Pascal force. 1500 Pascal pressure. 1500 Pascal pressure means 1500 Newton force acting in unit area. Then see the second one. Find the pressure exerted by a mercury column of 10 centimeter. So I have explained a question like this today. First question is like this. So find the pressure exerted by a mercury column of 10 centimeter. So what is the equation for pressure? Pressure is equal to height into density into gravitational acceleration. H rho g. Here H is given 10 centimeter. So centimeter means we have to convert it to meter. How to convert centimeter into meter? Should be divided by 100. Then 10 centimeter is the height means 10 over 100. Then density. Density is given 13,600 is the density into gravitational acceleration. Gravitational acceleration is 10. Then 1 0 can be cancelled by this. Another 0 can be cancelled by this. Then 13,600 into 1. That means 13,600 Pascal is the pressure. So first one okay, second one okay. Then do the remaining 3 at home and come. Next time we'll see. Okay.